So as you can see, I'm just going to fold that up to the point where I like it. And then I went ahead and put the head pin through. I popped a hole in there. I do have a hole punch just for earring holes. But I just went ahead and looped it through or strung it through the head pin and then put it through my bead cap. Now the bell caps, they're shaped like flowers, and when you pull them in really tight, it kind of makes it bunch like that, and you get that explosion of petal at the bottom. So make sure when you're pulling them through, when you pull all the fabric through, you're seeing it better here. I'm sorry, I apologize for how horribly I shot this. You can't even see my hands. But when you're going to pull that in, pull it in really tightly, because that'll keep the tension, that'll keep the flare at the bottom of the flower, and then just go ahead and finish off your loop. If you know how to do wire wrapping, then this is a piece of cake for you. And then you just go ahead before you close the loop off and add your chain to the final loop at the top there. And then we'll close it off. I forgot to mention, you're also going to need your earring hooks, obviously. So I've just got some of those there. And I also use a little bit of the Aleene's glue. Sometimes if you see that you want to add, maybe some dimension to the flower, like I wanted it to pucker a little bit more than it did, I just put a drop of glue in the crease there and pinched it together. I clamped it together with literally a tiny like hair clip and just let that set for the final look, because it just wasn't squeezed enough for me. You can definitely manipulate yours like that. You can even use nail glue if you want to. Just don't get it wet, because that would deactivate that type of a glue. And everything should be fine for the look, okay? And we're all done.